vanishing points. Vanishing points is a fascinating phenomenon. Vanishing points is like the point of the horizon where the two receding lines of the V diminishes infinitely or eternally. They call it vanishing point. Now, so the vanishing point is used as a sacred geometric reference point to you remember things look three-dimensional on the physical material plane because we have up-down to take into consideration, but on a two-dimensional surface, up-down is not taken into consideration, it's just front-back. So because up-down is excluded from the two-dimensional equation, we have to figure out a way to create three-dimensional depiction or illustration on a two-dimensional surface, a two-dimensional canvas. And one aspect of that is what I call the sacred geometric vanishing point. Vanishing point is basically a sacred geometric architecture map, basically. It's a map,